This is the season of large language models or LLMs. It seems that either everyone is either building the LLMs or playing around with them. A lot of companies are also integrating these large language models with their existing applications and also embedding them into their existing pipelines. This is where this new field or framework of LLMOps is being evolved. LLMOps is a specific type of machine learning operation that delivers necessary infrastructure and tools to make it easy to build and deploy LLMs. LLM Ops addresses the life cycle management of LLMs, including training, inference testing, and also prompt management. There are a lot of tools out there which are already doing these sort of operations, and one of them is LangSmith, which you can see on your screen. LangSmith is still in private beta, and I already have applied for it and waiting for my access. While that happens, let me introduce you to few of the things which this LangSmith can do. First and foremost, it makes you understand as how to track the whole life cycle of your model. For example, it lets you track your token usage, lets you manage your cost, it also tracks and debugs latency, and if you don't have a good data set to evaluate your application over and over again, with the help of this LLM ops, you can easily make some educated guesses. It also helps you out if you don't have enough matrices and if you want to interact or integrate this with any existing product. Now, all of these pitfalls are good enough, but there is a lot to it. For example, in this image, you can see the agent executor or the how LangSmith helps you in debugging. LangSmith gives you full visibility into model inputs and outputs of every step in the chain of events. This makes it easy for teams to experiment with new chains and prompt templates and spot the source of unexpected results, errors, or latency issues. They also expose latency and token usage so that you can identify which calls are causing issues. And that makes it so easy to track the change and also rerun the examples from your user interface. If you look at this example from langchain.dev, which is their website, you will see that they also helps you in evaluating and testing the LLMs. For instance, if you're wondering then how do I change the change prompt and how does that affect your output, then this could help you out. For example, with this LangSmith, what you can do, you can curate a data set of examples that you care about and then run any changed prompts chain over this data set. LangSmith first makes it easy to create these data sets from traces or by uploading data sets you have created manually. You can then easily run chains and prompts over those data sets. And there are a lot of other things which this LangSmith can do. For example, it can let you evaluate your models. It also lets you integrate seamlessly with your open source collection of evaluation modules. And you can also have some evaluation modules from langchain.dev. You can measure heuristics and LLMs. For instance, heuristic evaluations will use logic like regexes to evaluate the correctness of an answer. And then last but not least, you can easily monitor your debugging, testing, and also any other type of operation you are doing on your LLMs. So all in all, this LangSmith is a unified platform which lets you add unique value to your whole LLM operation pipeline. I hope that you found it interesting. As soon as I get access to it and if I'm allowed to post it publicly, I will share more information. If you are already using it or if you have any feedback, please share it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll drop the link of this website in video's description. Thank you.